Hello and welcome to the first construction update for Cabana5, 5 bungalow-style casitas in downtown Troncones, available for pre-sale prices now. As you can see, we're almost ready with the construction. They come with this kitchen, space for living and dining, sliding doors with mosquito protection, and a large bedroom, big enough for a king bed. This is where your plunge pool would go in case you want to add one. And this is the open concept bathroom. You have an open shower with a garden on both sides. Everything is parota wood. And the properties come fully fenced. You have a garden area that you own. There is no HOA. 3 units available for purchase now.